Karaarerpassuit Thailandimiittaqput. Kisia uangaangittoq. Aamma kisian Thailandimiorpassuinunani алларпассуарни суlisuupput. Ullumikkut nuannaautigaarput Thailandimior igasoq kiankai. Igasorissagatsigu. Kiankai, very much welcome.
Thank you very much.
And we are very happy to have you. You are from Nuuk now.
Yeah, from Nuuk, yeah.
You have been living here for some years. How many years?
15 years. It's nearly 16 years. I came to Nuuk. It's 11th of May, 1999.
What are you going to cook for us today?
I'm gonna make muskus and fish and lamb. So now I can start with the muskus first. I can take some at the cut them. So this one is take it out.
Tässä kiankai ullumikkut iganiarpai umimmak aarisagaq taavaru sava. Massakkut umimmak aallarniutinginiarpaa sivisulaartuminngoo taanna piarerssassagamiu. Iffiorfim aam uningatilarniarammiu. Uyaluiaqqaarpaa. Uyaluiarluinnarpaa naak kusanartorsuungaluarpo. Iluatsitsingatta ippassa pruusinimi. Quttoqqamingaanneersuuvoq.
So yes.
You need,
yeah, thank you. So and then after that I gotta cut the small piece.
Okay.
So and then I use this a little bit big knife.
So you have been here cooking for many years now.
Yeah, actually I make I cooking for many years. Is the so that is after that, yeah, I can mix with the sauce. So we use the garlic.
Yeah.
Just 2 pieces.
Villoit tak uanitsuaqqat.
Yeah, and then put together. 3 spoons of the oyster sauce. This
The
is
oyster sauce.
Yeah, oyster sauce. 3 spoons.
Oyster sauce.
Yeah.
Das dann østers uidorsuit pinnittorussuit østersit taakkuat tungavingalugit kangiamiut qano miseraasati sariortartas taama ittuni allaartaqartaak østersit taak tungavingalugit tas miseqqiasakkortoo.
Yes. And then 2 spoons of soya sauce.
Soya sauce.
Yeah.
So tässä tämän karalnalungilluarpaat soya sauce mitaasa tarajornittoq.
Just 1 spoon with the sugar.
Sioraasalerpaa aamma.
And just half of a spoon I use for just not so much, just a little bit for monosodium.
Monosodium.
Yeah.
Tässä tämän kangiamiunerisassioangami atortarsimasaat monosodium. Narulluinnarpaasunaaners kisia akuutissaq imalunniit aatstassaasaq. And what does the monosodium do?
Making more tasty. That is more tasty.
Mamarsaatitunga atortaramikku taanna monosodium.
Just don't use so much because it's very strong taste.
Sakkortooriungamingoq.
Yeah. And 1 spoon of maizena.
Maizena.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I use same spoon again and then mix everything together.
Okay. Akuderulluarpaaneqitaanna taakkununga.
And then we have to leave them like this for half an hour.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put them in.
Takua akuruuterieramingi taava halvtime uningatissuai taamaalillugi. Massakkungu taava taamaaleriarmat taava akussai taassuma. Umimmammu akussani massakku passunnialerpai.
We started some of them, maybe just not much.
So tässä peqqinnartupilussuaam taakkunaasut pönnarit ertat eqqarli ertat imma kanartaasai.
Yeah, just cuts.
Ertapuui allaapput kisianni ertanut ertatunaasarput assingullutik. Looks nice.
And then we use the spring onion. Just 4 of them.
Uanitsut.
Yes. And also one of the carrot. And you also can use a lot of vegetable, because from example I use carrot and I use spring onion and green bean, and you can use also some another one. Not the vegetable is not so strong taste. You can use also, for example, like kinako or something. You also can use that.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use 2 of chili.
Tessangoo aamma pingisatit naatitat atorsinnaavatit sakkortuallaangittumi mamallit soorlu eqqaavai ukua kuuloruyut taava aamma kiinakuulingu aamma atorneqarsinnaarput taava aayukku taa qasilittupiloruyussu. You have different chilies here.
Yeah, actually, I use 2 kind of the just making color, just only looking different color.
I see.
And also the chili, this kind of chili is not so spicy.
Okay.
But if you like spicy, you can put it more.
Okay.
But for now, I use only for 2 of these.
For the color, you say?
Yeah, just for different look, the different color.
Yeah,
that is the vegetable for muskus. So now we're gonna go for lamb. Put it in here first.
So this is sava massakkut sava qaqquttuaaningaan neqqarinnersaa.
So we take out from this bone.
Taakua miseqqassinginngitte eqqartungai uilluningaanni misera oyster sauce taavalu pønnariningaanni taajornittu una tamatingungajangua taanna fisk sauce akuusarpoq aammaneqinut mamarsaataalluni sakkortulaarluni taavalu aaliangersimassumi mamanitsitsisarluni soqutiginartupilussuu tassa aayukkuaneqit passuppai saattuaranguangorlungi akkorluni uyalui saaniluangu tamakkua kakkarluni mamarisangu piiaqqinnaariarlu.
Yeah, and then after, so
okay,
is the meat we have. Now we go with the fish. So we're gonna take the fish. Yeah, this fish I already cleaned them. So and our pan maybe they are a little bit smaller. So I'm not gonna use that head. I just take it out.
Okay.
So we can. So we start with the pan so they can get a little bit hot before we're done. Because
do you need oil?
Yeah, just a second. We can go with that first.
Okay. Oh, I see.
So at the fish, we're not gonna use the head.
No.
Yeah. So after that, just cut it because it's very fast to when we fry them. They can be done. It's faster.
Takku. Nokpiangira kisia iduutpa taava ulli nokpittaanna ullillungu saaniata tungaanu.
So yes.
It makes noise.
Yeah. So we use the oil. We're gonna use a little bit oil because we need to get fry with the fish.
Uria ngatsiak. Assa. Uria oiruissuaq.
Yes.
Siatsimut unmeroqa.
So I'm gonna use this.
Ima kissatteriarlungu uria taava annikillissuagooq. It's a beautiful fish, huh?
Yeah, actually that is a good size.
Yeah.
It's a very good size. So we're gonna use a little bit of maizena to put on, so they're not gonna stick on the pan.
Okay. Takku.
So I used a little bit maizena.
Do you want more?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Like this?
So yes, thank you. So because when we use the maizena or some mean, when we fry, they're not gonna stick. That is also.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that they are hot enough. We just take a fish and put in.
Just a sort of pavara.
Yeah, that take like
How long time you
take
say?
just like 10 minutes.
10
and
minutes
then
on
after
one
that,
side?
and one side and another side, we take around 5 minutes. Another
Okay.
side.
Tassangooq. Illuatunga kaamanna imaat kissava siarusassava 10 minutes missaami oqarunarpoq. Suluppaagaq it is called in Greenlandic.
Okay.
Suluppaagaq.
Suluppaangaq. That is a funny name.
Yeah, but that's the name of it. Do you need another thing, right?
No, it's okay. I said after that I can turn around.
Professional.
Yeah.
Professional.
Oh yeah, I need to.
Good job. Nay. Good enough.
Yeah. Around 5 minutes. So
5 minutes.
yeah.
It looks great. Yes. Sawa, masak inganiarok pa.
Yeah. First we put a little bit oil.
Okay. Uria rinariarlungu. Pisiniartaqaps uria pisiariva.
Yeah, just around 1 spoon.
Okay. Arussa atasok. Uria.
And then we take the red curry.
Okay.
Maybe yeah, just use yeah. It's two spoon of that.
Okay. Red curry.
Yeah,
Is that
the
what
red
it is
curry.
called?
Yeah, the red curry.
Red curry paste.
Yeah.
This karia. Tama to kasi now. Karia apple tok
Yeah, the red curry is this to make it, and then we fry a little bit to burn a little bit to make a smell. So.
Tässä on tänne uuria mut ima tokkaartarpaa. Uuria mun kissaqqaassavaa. Taamaalillunigoor mama ersaannaulortarsimagami.
Yeah, and now you can smell a little bit of
yes, I can smell it. It's nice. Mama tupilussuuq narisassanua kungaruni.
And then we take the lamb. Yes.
Kanong maatoa arussaateo qamarluk taanna kaaria aappantoq.
You just turn around a little bit, so until they almost done, just medium, so we can.
This qaravinnagingoq so sikatsiraariarluit inna akorniarsimavaan.
So and then after we use the coconut milk.
Okay.
So.
Kokussi immua. Imaittu inerikkat immuaqqatu pullit pisiassaasimapput.
If you don't got coconut milk, you can use cream, but it's better, a lot better if you use coconut because you can get the smell of cocoa.
Right. Piskefløde atorneqarsinnaangaluarpoq kisia namminnerua mamarineruat kokus immua.
Then we use half of this salt, right?
Yeah.
Just half of the spoon.
Yes.
Of salt.
Arussaateo qaffaa.
Yeah.
Taratsut.
And just a little bit.
Monosodium.
Yeah, just not much.
Monosodium.
And 2 spoons of the fish sauce.
Ta arussaatimartaanna fiskesauce.
Yeah.
Fish sauce.
And 1 spoon of soya.
Okay. Tau soya.
Yes.
Arussaataasoq.
Yeah. And then keep boiling. Sometimes the red curry is too spicy for the another.
Yeah, right.
So.
Tässä tänne red curry sakkortulaartukasiuami. Sakkortungami. Tassangadu akoqareeriarmat oqaramiuna taa sakkortunerutinnniaraani taava chiliaqqanik aam akorneqarsinnaasoq.
Our fish is done also, so I just turn it off.
Kind of hot heat.
Yeah,
That's
because we have to.
to.
Yeah, we have to make it the meat issue so they can cook it done.
Okay, yeah. Tässä nuqi qaratsilluarniaramiungoq sakkortugaatiartumik taanna kuukussi immua.
Yep. And then after we use some of the green bean.
Pulnarit.
Yeah. Some of the green bean and also lemon leaf.
Lemon leaf.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that also known as lime leaves?
Yeah, that is the same.
The same.
It's lemon leaf.
Tässä tää
So we
kurisu
use
pisiarai imaat saalaannimiupisini.
Yeah, just split them and put it. Just to make it smelly. So we cannot.
Piduttat sitruunisunnittu,
after that.
laimisunnittu.
So now we can. That is done.
Okay.
So you can taste it. maybe not so spicy, but for me not so much spicy.
But good. You are are you satisfied?
Yeah.
Wow.
You need to. So yes, Takanna. Yeah, and then we go with the muskus. So yes.
Muskus.
Yeah, muskus.
Ullumikkut.
Yeah, ullumikkut. Yeah. Now we use a little bit of olive because of we're gonna make it done. Just a little bit.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Okay. Umimariasani uriarokpa.
So and then the one we already done.
Yes,
and so
that's the one.
Now it's only.
Stand akong mikusani uningatpa halchinin.
Yeah.
You mixed it and then it is there for half an hour?
Yeah, for half an hour. Everything we make is just only fry a little bit.
We can say maybe it was marinated. Is it marinated?
Yeah, something like that.
So, marinero yusuf kayo na takunang nga assigiinngitsut niya ko niyo uningatsun.
Yeah, it is.
Nice meat, huh?
Very nice, yeah.
As soon as we kami umimatan na.
And also the meat we have is also tender.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be hard. Yeah, we use a little bit of water. Yes.
Imiriraqlugu. It smells wonderful.
We need more water, so they can get a bit more. Yeah, and then we need a little bit more of oyster sauce, and then.
Is that not the oyster
it is
sauce?
Oyster sauce.
Yeah.
So.
Uillunik misoraasariamiaqoqqippa.
So then we put we also put the chili and spring onion. Maybe we use it
chili.
Yeah, chili is also. Yes.
Kanong magsibisuting sumitagkuan na si tatasani sa pisangala. Iran uang sibisuda tasani tat karak katsirang inma. Kanyami kanong magsibisuting sumitasani sa sanala. How long time the vegetables? How long time I bake it?
It's just like 1 or 2 minutes because we have the green bean is going to be cooked.
Okay.
Just 1 or 2 because.
Okay. Minute makluin lang ngo.
Yeah, just 1 minute or 2 minutes is around that. So to be because of they have to be cooked. because meat is done now.
Wow, it's done.
Yeah. So.
Pisaritungugaruarpun. Nice.
Yeah, this
wow. Tari, kira nang nangwaksi.
So yeah, we can.
Ullumikkut. That's the assigiinngitsut. Tidy.
So we put here Takanna. Now we go with the sauce for fish.
For the fish.
Yeah, for the red fish.
Suruppa.
So
suruppa kangok. Misarassa massak piarserta.
Yes. Pisangana.
Uangungaruaon kayuaningani pisangaruakpak. Sia kanong material sa.
Yeah, we use a little bit of this one again,
okay.
Of oil again, because we're gonna fry it for. Yeah, just.
Real meaning what?
So now.
Uria kisapa ma arusa makhluk.
So and then we take the onion, the red onion, yeah, and also the garlic, and a little bit of chili. So
chili, yeah. In the East, do you have the pots like this?
Yeah, actually, so we can see exactly.
Karaviu na ngami kangiami ingai sianga na.
Let's fry a little bit chili, garlic, and onion, so they can make it a little bit smell.
Smells good.
Yeah, a little bit of water. Yeah.
Kakkuasiatani uanitsuassigiinngittu imirirarpai.
And then now is the tamarind.
Tamarind, yes.
Yeah, it's the one we talk about.
Yes, exactly.
Some kind of, we have two kinds. Yeah. One with sweet and one with sour. This one a little bit sour.
Okay. Tästä kangiamiuammi atortoissunga marunginikua. Tamarind tas orpimmingaan inerittussa. Marluungamingu assigiinngitsut aappa tungusunnittu aappa.
And then some of the fish sauce. Yeah. Two.
Arisakatan.
Yeah.
Kayussaat.
And then sugar.
Tausioasat.
Sugar is the a little bit around 3 spoons. Okay.
Arissaat pingas. Sioasat.
Yeah, of course I use a little bit of.
Okay, that's more sodium.
Yeah, just.
Just
a little bit.
Arissaat so kaffa.
Because this sauce is it should be sweet, sour, and spicy.
Okay.
It's three tastes of the taste.
Tässä ummamat assigiinngittu pingasu tassanissa putassa tungusunnillunilu seernarlunilu taqajorn imalu sakkortussaa.
Yeah, just keep boiling a little bit. So. Yeah, that is finished for sauce. But maybe we need to get some more at the chili because it's should be spicy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because this chili, I think is they are not so spicy.
I see. Ugua kasiripallanginnamingo. In Thailand, do you use
the small and
the small ones?
They are very strong.
The red and the green.
The red, because this one is
this one is not.
It's just like people food.
Right.
They are not so spicy.
This kangiamiwa tong narusakpat tama itu chilit mikisuakat aparut kosok parutut sakkortoruissuit atuang nikua alliartortillutik sakkortuallaarunnaaria.
And so we take out the fish. Yes. So put on here. Yeah, and then a sauce over.
Very beautiful.
Yes.
Colorful.
Then, yeah, the color is beautiful.
Looks great.
Yeah, and then we use the coriander. This coriander.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah,
to put on.
Kietongmyut atorluartangaat koriander. Uununatsinni aserortikkatut tamakpuyaasaasanguan pisiarisarpaq nakkaratitaarneqarsinnaasu kisiatas mamartupiloruissuungami.
So.
Coriander.
Yes. That's it. So, Takanna.
Takanna. Wow, thank you so much. How do you say it in Thai?
ได้แล้วครับ ได้แล้วครับ
Takanna. And thank you in Thai, what is it?
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
Yeah. It's we have the two words and the guy say for the man say ครับขอบคุณครับ and the women say ขอบคุณค่ะ
I see. You have different.
We have two different.
Yeah. I take this part.
Yes.
Wow, it is wonderful. Looks so great, and I love coriander.
Yeah, coriander also.
I think coriander is a wonderful
good
herb. Maybe I shall taste the fish.
Just taste first. So. Yeah, just for taste.
It's very crisp. It is crisp.
Yeah, it is. But our rice is not the rice.
It is wonderful. Mamartupirupirupirusu.
It's a good fish.
It's a very nice fish. And,
not so spicy, but yeah.
For me, it's spicy enough.
For you, yeah.
Yeah. When sekkorturarpoq tassam. Sekkortunaamarunnarpoq.
Yeah.
It is wonderful.
Also, you can taste of the muskus. Because I think they also would like to wait for taste too.
Yeah, you will be. I take a part of the muscus.
Yeah.
Also special.
That is tender. Tender meat.
Actually, ako tungo kami tan nakingit to produsyon kami umimmak tunno kapiang nito.
Maybe you taste at the lamb.
And the beans.
Yeah, so me.
Just tamuwa kakung ya kaming inakit. Unawan lang yung masarang arwak.
Yeah, for me, lamb is it should be more spicy, but maybe it's spicy enough for you.
I think it is wonderful for me.
So, yes.
Mama, kiangkai, we thank you very much. Koya na ko yung swak kiangkai mo.
You're welcome. You're welcome. This is so.
Isiginnaarsinnaavasi ko yan. Qamassuarsi koeneernittaqtangaani kiankaayip akuinera qanorlu iganera atuarsinnaangassingit ilaarsinnaallugis qoyana isiginnaarassi